There's nothing to worry about. Just fine. I'm your #1 fan.
Cheap creep. What's up, everybody? My creepers out there. So today we're doing a product review to clean out my new car. Check out the new whip. Oh, look at that. Yeah, that is a Chevy Tahoe LTZ. Beautiful. What about another Jeep? But got a good deal on this, and you know what? I just need the towing capacity, and Grand Cherokee's just not pulling as much as a 5.3 liter LS1 can pull. Talking about a difference between, at a max, I think some of the newer ones will do 7,500. This is rated 8,600. It's got a brake controller built in. It's got all the bells and whistles. It's got a lot more luxury too, I think, than Grand Cherokees, maybe. I still got my old Grand Cherokee, which I'll probably wind up selling because I have too many Jeeps. Is there such a thing? As you can see in the backyard, she's back there. Way back there. Yeah, right next to the Waggy. So, but anyway, today, oh, a little bouncy. I'm gonna be reviewing this thing. This is the, whoop, get it into focus, the Hotor.
Hotor.
Car vacuum. Now, this guy is basically designed to vacuum your car. But let me flip the camera here. There we go. So here's the package. Let's see what we got here. We got a little sucky tube. We got another sucky tube. Looks like a HEPA filter. Pick all the dust particles. Little brush sucky tube. Get that out of the bag. Whoa, there we go. Little brush sucky tube. The Hotor. Oh, it's got 2 filters. Nice, nice. A little instruction booklet with a little brush for doing that detail work. Nice, nice. Oh my goodness. Look at that. That's pretty cool. Hotor. Okay. The bag sold me on this thing. Alright. So let's get this hooked up. So, cool little feature. I got ports back here. And this guy, she runs on the cigarette plug. So, you know, there's a couple fuses in there too, which is kind of cool. So let's plug that in like so. It's got a little indicator light too. Oh, look at that. We got power. All right. All right, here it is. A couple buttons. Oh, that's a light. See that? This thing's got a light. How ridiculous, but cool. All right, so does it suck?
It certainly does suck.
Yeah, pretty good, pretty good. Now, this is not no, crazy shop vac, but I mean, this is a car vacuum after all. It's kind of ridiculous. Let's see. So you can just plug in your attachments like so. Oh, look at that. Now you get a little brush attachment. Or if you want to do a hose for those hard to reach places. Trying to do this one-handed. Sorry, guys. Yeah, let me plug that in there. Ah, there we go. Fits nice and snugly. Oh, and if you want, I think that'll fit on there. Oh, and it does. How freaking ridiculous is that, huh? Look at that. That's cool. All right, so what else we got? We got this little clear sucky tube that I don't know what it's for. And it appears to go all the way in there. Does that plug in here? Oh, yeah, I guess it plugs into there. So if you want a little sucky tube, I don't know. And we can look at the instructions here. I know that's kind of a crazy concept, especially for me. Alright, what does this say? I don't think this will do wet vacuuming. But let's look at the instructions and see what it says. Register Hotor. Oh, that's a cool little mantra there. Alright. This instruction booklet is hilarious. So, loving the illustrations. Oh, yeah. So, yeah, it doesn't work with 24-volt systems, if anybody's wondering. That clear tube is called a crevasse. Neat. Okay. Well, she don't work when the filter's plugged. A wet filter. Oh. Alright, do not use longer than 20 minutes. So, I believe this will do wet stuff. Oh, here, look at that. I love this instruction booklet. Reusable filter, air dry, nice. Wow, 100% behind their products. Replacements, no questions asked. I'm thoroughly impressed. This is a cool company. Well, we got instructions in Japanese there too. How to clean the HEPA filter. So this is like an Amazon exclusive. We strictly abide by the Amazon regulations. We cover a full refund or full replacement within 30 days. For breaks under normal use or unintended damage. Wow. This is pretty impressive. So I'll take and get her registered. Yeah, this thing was relatively inexpensive. I paid $25 for it on Amazon. And of course that's with Amazon's free shipping. This is an Amazon exclusive item, maybe. I don't know if they sell them anywhere else because their instruction booklet states Amazon. But whatever, man. I highly recommend this. It was highly recommended by Amazon, so I pass along the recommendation. If you guys are in the market for a cool little car vacuum, keep your brand new car like mine nice and clean, you know, go for it. I mean, look at this little detail brush. All fits back in the bag. Oh my goodness. I probably won't keep the instructions in the bag. Maybe I'll keep it in the box. In my boxes area where it'll probably sit, and I'll have it for 100 years, and maybe one day people will be like, oh man, you bought a vacuum 100 years ago. Cool. Some of the things on the box too, a couple tips, look at that. Engine on, you get stronger suction. Wow. Okay, well, I should probably try it with the engine on. Honestly, the suction was pretty dang good. Got a fuse. Alright. Wash and dry after each use. Cool. Or, well, that's it, guys. If you have any suggestions for something for me to demo, let me know. Maybe I'll buy it.